Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a protective hairstyle. So I'm going to be using this hair right here, expression. I have 2 packs, but I don't know if I want to use all 2. And in this hairstyle I'm going to need some hairpin. I have some spray that I'm going to be using. Also, I'm gonna be using Eco Gel since I don't have the gotta glue spray. I might do my eyelashes. I want to try this eyelashes that I got yesterday. It's magnetic, so I'm gonna try it if I have time. But anyway, let's get straight to the video. So I just went here and greased my scalp, so it's nice and great. So I have some comb. So what you have to do, the goal is to part this hair in. I'm gonna use 2 instead of 3. So this is how the hair looks right here. So this is the latches I was talking about, the magnetic latches. I'm gonna try that on. So I'm just gonna twist this off for now until I get ready for it. So right here, I'm gonna post. So I went ahead and did this side right here. So I'm gonna go and do the next. So guys, I just got done doing my eyelashes. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.